Have you ever wondered if there's a bank that doesn't nickel and dime you for basic banking services? A bank that actually rewards you for being a customer? Well, today, we're diving into the SoFi checking account to find out if it's the fee-free financial haven we've all been dreaming of. Let's face it, traditional banks have a reputation for charging fees for everything under the sun. From monthly maintenance fees to overdraft charges, it can feel like you're constantly losing money just to keep your account open. That's why the idea of a fee-free checking account is so appealing. But is SoFi the real deal? The SoFi checking account, a quick overview. Before we get into the fees, let's quickly recap what the SoFi checking account offers. It's a high-yield checking account that comes with a few perks, including no monthly maintenance fees. That's right, you don't have to pay a dime to keep your account open. ATM fee reimbursement. SoFi will reimburse you for up to $10 in ATM fees per month. Early direct deposit. You can get your paycheck up to 2 days early. Cashback rewards. Earn cashback on your debit card purchases. So, does SoFi charge any fees? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does the SoFi checking account have any fees? Well, the short answer is no. SoFi doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or foreign transaction fees. But wait, there's a catch. While SoFi is generally fee-free, there are few exceptions. Returned item fees. If you write a bad check, SoFi will charge a returned item fee. Paper statements. If you choose to receive paper statements instead of electronic ones, you'll be charged a fee. Wire transfer fees. If you need to send or receive a wire transfer, you'll be charged a fee. However, these fees are pretty standard across most banks, so they shouldn't come as a surprise. Is the SoFi checking account worth it? So, is the SoFi checking account worth it? If you're looking for a fee-free checking account with a few extra perks, then it definitely could be. The cashback rewards and early direct deposit can add up over time, and the ATM fee reimbursement is a nice bonus. Comparing SoFi to other banks. To give you a better idea of how SoFi stacks up, let's compare it to a few other popular checking accounts. Ally Bank. Ally also offers a fee-free checking account with a competitive interest rate. However, it doesn't offer cashback rewards or early direct deposit. Capital One. Capital One's checking accounts are generally fee-free, but they do have a minimum balance requirement to avoid monthly maintenance fees. Chase. Chase offers a variety of checking accounts, some of which have monthly maintenance fees. However, they do offer a fee-free checking account for students. Overall, the SoFi checking account is a great option for those looking for a fee-free, high-yield checking account. While it doesn't have as many features as some other banks, its simplicity and competitive interest rate make it a solid choice. So, if you're tired of paying fees for basic banking services, the SoFi checking account might be the answer. Want to learn more about the SoFi checking account? Check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.